What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you today with another video. In this video, I want to ask you a question. Do you want to discover how to make money without recruiting? Would you like to know how you can make an extra $50 to $500 plus per month without recruiting anybody into your business? If that sounds like something you want to do, I want you to stick around with me in this video. And in this video, I'm going to reveal 3 ways you can make money without recruiting your family and friends. And we all know that your family and friends, when it comes to network marketing or MLM marketing, are some of the worst people that you can try to get into your business, because they don't have the mindset you have, that you have. They don't understand. They think it's a scam. They think you're getting ripped off. They think you're wasting your time. You ought to go get a regular job like everybody else. But you know that that's not in you to want to do that. So you're trying to make your life a lot better. And also forget about the 3 feet rule. Everybody that you come within 3 feet of, whether you know them or not, you want to pitch them or on your business opportunity or show them something about your business opportunity. You can forget all about the 3 feet rule. The strategy that I'm going to share with you at the end of this video, you won't have to do any of those things. Okay, so with that being said, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you my #1 strategy for making $50 to $500 plus per month without recruiting your friends and family. Is that a deal? All right. First of all, I want to give you three strategies for making $50 to $500 per month without recruiting. Okay, so one of the things you can do are surveys. Now, surveys, you can easily type in Google how to make money with surveys. You'll probably get a whole lot of sites that come up. Essentially what you do is you just fill out these surveys and they pay you. I guess it really depends upon the length of the surveys and all of that type of things. It's been a while since I've done surveys. That's one of the things I tried when I first came online back in the day. I have not tried any more surveys. I found out it's too time consuming and they pay very little, so pretty much to me it was a waste of time. Another thing you can do is playing games. Now, I'm not a gamer. I don't play games on the computer or whatever, Fortnite and whatever other games there may be. I don't play those types of games, but you can Google how to get paid for testing games and playing games, and you can make some money, maybe $50 to $500 per month doing that, depending upon how much time you have to actually sit down and learn how to actually play the game first. So I guess you'll be like a beta tester, not a tater bester, a beta tester, for these gaming companies and things like that. So that's another way. Now, one of the surefire ways of making an extra $50 to $500 per month without recruiting is affiliate marketing. Okay, you can sign up for Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, Max Bounty, ClickBank, JVZoo, any of those networks, and just sell affiliate products, and you don't have to talk to a single person. You just simply, what I would do for that particular strategy there, I would build I would have a marketing system, and I would build a capture page. So I'm capturing their email for the specific product or service that I'm, promoting. I would be building an email list, and then I would have, from that capture page, I would probably send them to like maybe a presentation page or something, with me on there introducing myself, and then to the company website. Now, step 2 in that process, the landing page with a video of yourself on it is not, you don't have to do that when it comes to affiliate marketing. What you can do is just simply set up a thank you page that redirects them to, the actual product in itself. Excuse me, but you want to be building an email list all at the same time. Okay, so affiliate marketing is one of the strategies that you can do, and also CPA marketing, which to me is pretty much similar to affiliate marketing. You're just making money if somebody submits an email. When it comes to CPA marketing, if somebody submit an email into an email form that a particular company gives you, then you can make money from that as well. Okay, so affiliate marketing would be my, the first strategy I would try instead of surveys and playing games. So if you just want to be affiliate marketing, you can actually, find that information on YouTube and in Google. But as for me, my number one strategy for making $50 to $500 per month without recruiting is that you need to revisit your W-4 form. Okay. And when you revisit your W-4 form, what I mean by that is you need to fill out your W-4 form correctly. Okay. By doing so, you don't have to bug your family and friends. You don't have to chase down anybody to earn this $50 to $500 per month. And also, you don't even have to ask your boss, if you can do this. You have the right to do this. So my number one strategy is really just revisit your W-4 form, fill it out correctly, and then you will have the potential to make $50 to $500 plus per month. Now you have to understand that it's based on your situation. Okay. And so what I mean by that is you have to look at the situation, you're in, and that will determine how much you get back in your paycheck. Okay. So when you revisit your W-4 form, this is what you got to do. You want to make sure these areas here are filled out correctly. Okay. Especially up here. A lot of people think that this is for allowances. For dependents and things like that. This is not. This is for allowances that you're allowed to get for living in the United States of America. Okay. As an employee, somebody who has a job and that's all you have, you fill out this W-4 here, just this top section up here. That's all you fill out. You don't touch anything else, and then you turn it in, you turn a portion, the part that you're supposed to turn in, back into your HR department. Okay. Your HR, turn it back into your HR department, and you're done. Now, if you have a business such as the business opportunity that I want to share with you today, if you're a part of that business opportunity, then you not only get to fill out this section, but you also get to fill out this section down here, because now you are a business owner, and you are no longer, are you just a W-4 employee, you are now a 1099, which is a business owner. Okay. And so as a business owner, you get to fill out this section down here, which allows you to make an extra $50 to $500 plus back into your W-4 form. Okay. So like I said earlier, if you just fill out this section and you don't want the business opportunity, or you don't have a business, then you just fill out this section correctly. Redo this, because this has been redone for 2018. Redo your W-4 form. Okay. And then if you don't want the business opportunity, just simply turn, whatever information you get from here back in on the top of the form. But if you do want to join the business opportunity with me, and come into this business with me, then you would fill out both sections, this section and this section, and then you would turn it in to your employer, which will help you get an extra, somewhere between an extra $150 to $500 plus back into your paycheck per month, depending upon your situation. So that's something, you would have to look at closely, depending upon your situation, how much, depending upon your situation, determines how much you're going to get back. Okay. So with that being said, if you would like to know more about how, to make money without recruiting, your family and friends, if you would like to learn how you can earn $50 to $500 per month without recruiting a single person, I want you to visit my website, myeconadvantage.com. You can find that link also in the description, and you will see that. Just click that link and go and watch the presentation, and then just follow the steps in the video if you want to get started with my econ. Now, also, if you do me a favor, like this video, share this video, comment, leave me a comment below. And I want to end this video by saying thank all of my subscribers, all of you all who have just subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and we will get you going, and maybe I can drop some value in your lap where you would see the value in joining me in my business opportunities. So with that being said, y'all have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.